Hello viewers, here I again at the old sawmill. It's Greg McLean bowling there with his lovely blue shoes on, and it's the 8th week of the league season, and we've got Sanderstead second 11 in second place in Div 2 against Leatherhead, who are I think in 9th place. It's the 8th week. Ryan Foley bowling down the hill, our second South African, alongside Josh McKinnon, who isn't playing today. Tom Archer there. He's played quite a bit of second 11 cricket over the years, but he's had a bit of a gap. Come back. Is this a one-off? Hope not. Splendid lad. Derek Rushforth there with his arms folded. The drinking man's umpire. Lovely. Greg McLean bowling here. Got 5 wickets last week. 5 for 30. Metronomic, accurate. Moves it a little bit both ways. And the ball. And it's snicked. Well, look who we've got here. It's Dev CARR. He's back. Injured his knees, I think, playing a bit of football earlier in the season. Great to see him back. Obviously gets his shoes from the same place as Greg McLean. Look at that. Oh, that's a little snick. Just put him down, I think. Greg got very excited at that one. Well, and why not? That's... Oh, Uncle Phil, a bit of a dive. More of a fall, really, but lovely shot. Oh, well bowled. Oh, well bowled. Same ball again, but slightly straighter. Beautiful. Much mirth going on. Great to have Dev back. Keeps everyone laughing and smiling. Brilliant. Derek's boring the opposition umpire there with something. Oh, Tom Archer, great attempt there. Oh, another direct hit attempt. Good work this from Sanderstead. That's sliced away for 4. Oh, what bowled. Oh, unlucky from Archer there. That was an absolutely amazing attempt. Lovely shot. Save your legs on that one. Or left. Another nice shot. Uppish but 4. Oh, full bowl.
Okay, let me turn in. It's out.
Little snick and bounces short of Curtis there. Oh, bowled. Oh, hello. Not out from Derek. Oh, bit of extra bounce there. Slashed over the top. Greg's getting a lot of work down there, third man. Bowling. There, Will Hurst into the attack. Indie rock hippie. And he's got a wicket with his second ball. Nice little off spinner. Beautiful. There's Dev CARR coming on for his first bowl of the season. Oh, look at that. Little bit of drift away there. Uncle Phil, as he's known, named after the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air character. I didn't know either, but when pointed out, yeah, it's a good one. Oh, whoop, little snick, and he's gone. Batsman walks, and oh, Uncle Phil's as happy as anything. Look at that, magnificent. Straight back, first over in. Beautiful. Like it's never been away. That double bowling change brings 2 wickets in 2 overs, as it can do. We'll bowl. Score at drinks. Bit of air there, and it's Not quite landed as it should have done. Lovely shot. That's over, Greg. Couple of bounces. Quick update on the Sanderstead Fantasy Cricket League, and team of Simon Carter's, Lee Webb's team, is still at the top after 5 weeks, but it's getting a bit close up there. Little break for Will Hurston. Stuart Wiley comes on. New player this season. Look at that. That's not bad, is it? And our manager of the week in the fantasy was Peter Moore, the ex-England manager. He obviously signs up to Sanderstead's Fantasy League. About 770 points, I think, with his team. Hit and Run. And why not? Leatherhead run rate under 3. I would imagine with a few overs of Stuart Wiley, it's not going to get any higher either. It's like a pretty mean bowler. Oh, bowled. Oh. Arch looked brilliant there until he forgot to pick the ball up. And relax. And again, another attempt. Oh, direct hit was out, I think. Well, and anyone with Simon Carter in their team will be happy when they see the scores. He's just taken 5 wickets at Kingstonians. Bowling. Ooh. Lovely shot. It's all the way. There you go, Derek. JEESHU Ganguly there behind the sticks, 13 keeper. Playing up today. Very, very good keeper. Like these two bats putting on a bit of a partnership. 42, it's got 2 so far. Not that quickly, but the foundation being set. And no doubt they'll begin to become a little more expansive soon. It's exciting. Shot. Oh, lovely slower one there from Phil. That was magnificent. Oh, bold little snick. Just evades the glove of JEESHU. Not a lot of luck today, the Sanderstead bowlers. Oh, and there's a big mow across the line, 4 runs, lovely. Oh, the lovely slower ball there. I think he meant it, or was he just wearing? Quick look at the TES scoreboard, and yeah, just over 3 and over now. Declaration game, so Leatherhead will have to declare by 55 overs. A maximum of another 15 left. IMRAN QURESHI on now. He's another one of these players who's come back. He played here about 12-15 years ago. I played a little bit with him, I think. Good little leggy. Oh, a bowled. Tempting. Well, no need to chase that one. Oh, well bowled and unlucky. Oh, that's found the gap. Bit of a short one, it's another 4. Oh, and that is a 50. Batted well, batted very well. Oh, this is for Greg. Oh, it's over him, and it's 6 runs. Oh, these two bats seeing it well now. And, oh, that's straight through Gregg's hands, or over him. Another 4. Greg Pettifor coming on. And that's, dropped by Uncle Phil. Tough chance. Couple of runs though. And that should be out. Boomer gets it. Well, about time too, you could say. Tom Archer coming on for a little bowl. Oh, and puts down a caught and bowl charge, which for him is relatively simple. God, how many drops have there been today? Always worth a try with Dell. Oh, I think that might have been another one gone. Wow, dropped a few today. So, possible 5 more overs. Can't see Leatherhead declaring. I think they'll expect us to chase anything that they set. Oh, hello. Oh, and that's another one gone. I reckon that could be about 10 drops so far. Oh, that's well picked up there. Gimme runs. Scythed away. That's going to be another 2. They're going to go 3 here. And why not? It's the 200 up. Caution to the wind now, Leatherhead. They should be swinging at everything. Oh, and that's out 2 or 3 times, I think. Oh, he's made him hop. No backing, that's 2 runs. Stop, hold it, and relax. They'll be pushing 2 here, quite easy. I'd imagine this batsman's very close to 100. Nicely played, yeah, that's going to run away. Put it down there again, that's another 4. And that's it, that's his 100. Well batted, sir. Fabulous knock. Well, look at that. 229, is that right? Wow. They should declare, really. And he's gone stumped. Good bit of work there from JEESHU. But, still no declaration, which I think is a mistake. You don't want the, or you want the winning draw target and the win target to be quite close to each other. They're going to be a long way away. No one out there. Smeared for 4. Well hit. That's in the air but dropped short. 5 balls left. Oh, that's a big 6. No, it's not. It's commentator's curse. In the right way. Tom Archer, no mistake there. Good catch. I thought he got hold of that a lot better. And that's 4 runs beautifully put for extra cover. It's going to be another couple, this. Well done. That's it, just the one. So that's 243.47 off 55 overs. Time for tea and some catching practice. Well, we join the game. It's the 4th over. Sanderstead off 13 for 1. Make that 2. Chasing 244 to win. A little bit late because I've had to go and get my earplugs, so you'll see why. That's a nice shot from Boomer. First ball.
Tickets onto those practice wickets, it's 4 runs. My ignorance.
He's little snick and he's gone. That's 3 down now. 17 is the 5th over. What is going on?
Is the chair.
That shot there from Ryan Foley.
And we were at Oxford together.
Well, Sanderstead probably not at their full strength today. Quite a few players missing. And I think these two in are going to have to put on a big partnership if we're going to get anywhere close to this target. That's another 4. Lovely shot from Boomer, absolutely magnificent. Oh, save your legs, that's beautiful. Say no more. That should be 2 here. Oh, whipped away beautifully. Really timed that. Wow. Oh, that's a snicked away for 4. Oh, spin into the attack, causing problems straight away. The rate. Shot from Boomer. There's a scorecard and the Cornish Coley. The bowl.
Yeah, of course. We encourage that.
Lovely shot from Ryan. Picked over the top.
I thought it.
Oh, that's a beautiful shot.
Oh, what a wonderful shot that was. Shot, Ryan. Oh, shot.
That's a lovely
Johnny
shot.
Burstone. Oh, what a wonderful bit of food.
Big boomer there. Decent fight back from these two. Decent run rate, but a very long way to go. That's another 4. Glorious shot, but very well fielded. This is good cricket here.
Yeah, sorry.
Shot from Boomer.
Don't worry, I'm back on it, but do you want me to be quiet?
No, you're alright. Oh, and that's gone. I think a little bit of a play on there. Good knock from Boomer.
Yes, come on. Buddy! Shots. What a shot.
That's a lovely shot.
That's pure.
Well, I just got my first part of Pilgrim, viewers, and in the process missed Ryan Foley's wonderful shot for 4 and bringing up his 50. That's now 112. Oh, nice little thick edge. Sometimes runs away down there. Yeah, and it has. Oh, just gets a little touch on that, and that's gone for 4 as well. It's a third 4. It's over. So, 21 overs left, 123 to win. I believe the winning draw target, which gives you extra bonus points, is 199. So 4 and over gets the winning draw, 6 and over gets the win, or alternatively 6 wickets for Leatherhead and they win. Perfectly poised. That's a nice shot from Greg. Oh, and that's straight back at him. Put him down, but he's okay. Just a bit of dented pride, that's all. Nice touch. Short one, Just the single. Bit of turn there. Shot from Greg. It's through the field. Or left. Oh, that's hit away for 4.
Shot, Greg.
Lovely late cut there from Greg. Oh, that's buzzers. Well, that's 4 runs after all of that. Shot for 1. 13 overs left. 199 for the winning draw. Thing is, I don't know if these two bats have figured out whether they're going for the win or the winning draw yet. I guess they're just playing and they'll see what happens. It's a nice shot. There should be a couple. And it is. Well, I get the sense Sanderstead are thinking more about the winning draw than the win. Oh, that's a little gift for Greg. That's 4. Oh, goes to hand.
Fingertip to that.
He did get a fingertip. Oh, well stopped. Oh, got in the way a bit than anything else, but it all counts. Well done to him. So, last 10 overs. Ah, lovely shot from Greg. Nice hit for 1. Lovely control he's got. Oh, and that's going to be out. And it is. Good catch there. So Tom Archer in now. Tom can play. There you go. And miss. But I don't know if they've decided what they're going to go for yet. That's the beauty of this format. You know, you can be going for one result and then switch to another, and that can be what messes you up. And if you're a good skipper, you can even give the batsman a few runs, try and make them change their mind. Draw them into going for the win. Beautifully picked up. Well, news coming in from around the county. The Wands have lost by 2 runs in a low-scoring thriller at Kingstonians. Looks to me like the 2s are heading for the winning draw here. They can survive the next 6.5 overs. And the 3s have been the 4s have been soundly beaten. 3s we don't know yet. That's a nice hit, and that's gone for 4. Just now 8 needed to secure the winning draw total. But of course we've got to all be not out at the end. It's another 4. 6 overs left. 49 for the win. Would you go for it, viewers? I think the New England would. The Old England would probably just play it safe and hold on to the draw. Oh, and that's beautifully bowled. Super Yorker. Tom goes, and that's now 6 down. 197. So, that adds an interesting little twist. What's Immy going to do? Right behind that. Oh, good leave in the circumstances. So, 5 overs to survive. That's the way I look at it.
Come on, Ryan!
Oh, that's 100 for Ryan. Absolutely magnificent. Well batted, Ryan Foley. 75 not out last week, 100 this week. Right, now you've got to secure the points. Just stay there. Immy, stay with him. Well done, Immy. Oh, or left?
No.
No. So 4 overs now to survive. Got faith in Imi, and why not? So, quite rightly, a slip coming in.
Oh, he dropped that, didn't he? He did drop that. That's it, man.
That's a big statement of intent. So, 5 men on the boundary, but Ryan's definitely showing that he's going for the draw here. So the last over.
The sister.
So Leatherhead need a wicket ball now. Oh, there's one of them. That wasn't such a good leave.
Great
Well. Well, finally Leatherhead have an attacking field.
Yes.
And and that was a chance. That was a chance from JEESHU. My word.
Oh, is it?
Lovely shot from JEESHU.
Run out.
Right.
Oh no, look, it's running a bit further out now.
Here we go, the final ball. What's Ryan going to do? Just,
Right, give me that shot.
So, that's it. Winning draw to Sanderstead, 209 for 7 off 45 overs. For my money, Leatherhead batted on a little bit too long there. I think, as I said, you want the winning draw and the win total to be very, very similar. Anyway, great game of cricket. Well played both teams. A lot of dropped catches from Sanderstead. Well batted Ryan Foley. That was absolutely splendid knock. Undefeated 100. And just showing the quality of the tracks here at Sanderstead. There we go, the chap in the green cap. He got a fine 100 as well. Absolutely superb. Well, you know what we're going to do now? We've still got a couple of barrels of Pilgrim's Quench. And Quench is only here in the summer. They've stopped producing it this summer. Won't get it for another year, so well, let's just go in and try and deplete some of the stocks. And why not? There's the Cornish Coley, Patrick Sherlock there. Fabulous.